Yeah?
What you got there, Matthew?
Oh, Olivia, this is nice.
Oh, that's a Thomas toothbrush. Wow.
Yay! Oh, Olivia, this is a nice picture you made, Mommy. Oh, the heart. That's beautiful, sweetie. Thank you. Thank you. Yay!
You like that one?
Well, open up. Look what else you got. Other presents are
What is it, Matthew?
We're going through it after, okay?
It's a fire engine.
Is that a fire
This
engine?
one's Matthew's, and that
Oh,
one's yours.
wow, it's Monty and Max.
You want to lose this part, okay?
And here's another one.
What's that? What else is there, Matthew?
That's one.
That one's
I got this car too.
Wow.
Good video, baby?
What is it, Matthew?
What's this guy's name?
I don't know. That's Sodor. Butch. That's Butch. Butch and George.
You got Aunt Clay,
And Alfie.
What's that, is that lady?
Oh, Matthew. Wow.
Ariel.
And that's Marley. No, Harvey. That's Harvey.
Did you get a new Barbie doll, Olivia?
Fantastic.
Oh my God.
Can you say thank you to Mommy?
And you're next book. You're welcome.
Wow.
You're welcome.
What's that guy's name?
You like the new Barbie doll?
That guy is Lady. That's Lady.
Oh, this book is so
Wow.
There's a Korean girl in here too. I'll show you.
Oh, wow. What you got there, Olivia?
Oh, she's just gone.
Where's the Thomas?
One more time. Oh, that's the creme brulee. One more sheet there.
Look at that.
That's right. This is a family dinner in Korea. We put some nice hanbok on it.
Oh,
Isn't that
nice.
nice? All around the world.
Yeah.
Even this book is my book.
Yeah. Can you say Merry Christmas, Matthew?